Digitization changes everything. It changes productivity, time to market, and efficiency. Embrace the boundless opportunities. Realize your digital transformation with the new IT. New IT offers smart, integrated software and hardware solutions for the sheet metal industry. With New Evolution, custom trims can be ordered via tablet quickly, easily, and with high precision. With new production, all construction data is transferred in real time from construction to the production site. All project information is immediately available at the right place. New Order is the individual online shop for calculating or selling metal trims. Simplify your metal trim process with cutting-edge process automation from New IT, smart and digital.